Next topic, we are going to discuss about the pressure. So, what is pressure? Pressure, first of all, what is thrust? Thrust. The thrust is the force applying normally. Normally means 90 degree. I will give you example. Suppose if you move on the sand at the back of your body, that your footprints can be there, and if you lie down on that place of the sand, then there is not much your footprints of your body. Second example, can you able to drive a bicycle on the sand? Very hard. But the truck or a big tire, but one who has having a big tire, they can easily move from the tire. Why? The perpendicular force, if what we applying on the object, that is called as thrust. So what is force applying on a surface in perpendicular direction or normal? Perpendicular direction is 90 degree. Students, in the physics, the normal word come, it is not normal means arm, it is not like that, but it is normal means 90 degree. That means we are applying a force 90 degree on the surface. So if I am standing, so that means I am applying a more force on this object, and if you lie down, then your force will be half. Okay, then a body exerts a thrust on a surface equal to its own weight. How much the body's weight is there, that much will be the force we are applying on a surface. The unit of thrust is same as the weight of force. So 1 kgf. So it depends upon the pressure. So as much as you are having a thrust, that means we are applying it, that much pressure is inversely proportional to the area. Inversely proportional means opposite. More the area, less the pressure. Less the pressure, more the area. Means if a small balloon is there and if you fill it with the air, then if you fill it more with the air, then it will burst soon. And if more balloon is there, if that much air you can fill, it will not burst. Why? More the area, less the pressure is there inside. So example we are having a you know that in a building, why we are making a then in a building, when we making make a building, why we make a big that base big, then why it is a big base we have keep when we planning for the building? Because more the area, less the pressure of the building will be there. So as thrust per unit, pressure is the thrust per unit area. So pressure is equal to, pressure formula is equal to, we are having pressure is equal to thrust upon area. Thrust upon area. So SI unit of thrust is, this is thrust SI unit is Newton, area is meter square. So meter square. So SI unit becomes Newton per meter square. So this is the SI unit. But for the pressure, we are not writing the, mostly we are not writing the Newton per meter square, because the discovered by the Pascal. So SI unit of pressure is, SI unit of pressure is Pascal. It is as Pascal. Who has discovered this? Sometimes they are asking, who discovered the SI unit of pressure? Sir, Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal has discovered this SI unit. So 1 Pascal, what do you mean by 1 Pascal? Or sometime they are asking that blanks. So what is Pascal? So or dash is the pressure exerted by thrust of 1 Newton of surface area of 1 meter, that is 1 Pascal. 1 Pascal is the pressure. 1 Pascal क्या है? Pressure है जो exerted by a thrust. कैसे लगा? Thrust के कारण. Thrust means force के कारण. Normally जो force लगा, that is a thrust of 1 Newton. कितना लगा? 1 Newton on a surface of area. कितना area था? 1 meter square. So that is called as 1 Pascal. So unit of measurement of atmospheric pressure. So students, the unit are very important. 1 atm. Atm is the atmospheric pressure of the popular unit of the pressure. So 1 atm is equal to 760 millimeter of mercury column, or it is called as torr. Underline this word torr. Who discovered this one? Torricelli has discovered this one. Sometime we are using the atmospheric pressure. The unit of atmospheric pressure is torr also. Torr. Okay, so what are 1 atmospheric is equal to how much Pascal dash? Underline this word also. So this is 1.1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to, we can write as 1.013 into 10 raised to power 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Sometimes they are asking the blanks 1 atm is equal to dash Pa. So you have to fill this value. It is fixed because it comes from the 760 millimeter 1 Pascal. So what are the factor which affecting the pressure? The first pressure factor is thrust acting on the surface. How much thrust? More the thrust, more the pressure. जितना ज़्यादा thrust डालोगे उतना ज़्यादा क्या होगा? Pressure होगा. So while lesser the thrust on the same surface, lesser the pressure. Second one is pressure acting on a surface area. More the thrust, more the pressure. Less the thrust on the same, lesser the pressure on it. So area. It depends upon the area. So student, I here is written something wrong. Pressure acting on the surface area. More the surface area, less the pressure is there. More the surface area, less pressure on it. So less surface area, more pressure on it. If as I started the topic, then I gave the example of a bicycle. The bicycle tire having a small area. So it is very difficult for us to move on the sand, but the truck or any other vehicle which is having a more tire, a big tire are there, that means surface area of the tire are more, so less pressure on the it has. So more the pressure, less the surface area. मोर द प्रेशर, जितना ज़्यादा प्रेशर होगा उतना सरफेस, जितना सरफेस एरिया कम होगा उतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर होगा, या जितना ज़्यादा प्रेशर होगा उतना सरफेस एरिया कम होगा. Okay, so this is the main. So next one, area on a surface which the thrust, lesser the surface area, more is the pressure exerted by the thrust, and more the surface area, lesser the pressure on it. We are having a nail, so nails are sharpened. Or we are having a knife also having a sharp end. Why we can? It is easy. Why it is easy to cut the vegetable with the sharp knife than a blunt one? Because the sharp edges gives a more pressure. Less the area, more the pressure on it, so it is easy to cut it. Okay, so examples are there. So pressure and thrust, its difference you have to revise it. So lesser the area, more is the pressure. So examples are there in from our daily life. So a pin, a nail, a drawing at a board having a end point a sharp, while a other end is broader than a blunt one. Why it is so as will be more on the area. So when the thrust applied on a sharp end, the pressure will be less and the area of the contact is more. So all the tools like a scissor, knife, axe have a sharp edge to exert more pressure. Why? So lesser the area, more is the pressure. So more the area, lesser the pressure. So same way I gave the, suppose army tank having a normal type of wheel, then army tank being a very heavy exert large pressure on the ground and the wheel may sink in the ground. To avoid this, the wheel of the tank are made to move over steel track. So these track increase the surface area, reduce the pressure on the ground. So these topics are very important. So next topic we are having all the example. You in your school bag also having a broad strips, broad strap. So the area on the shoulder in the contact with the bag increase, and thus the pressure on the shoulder is reduced. So we can reduce it. So pressure exerted by liquid demonstrate that liquid exert pressure in all directions. This activity is very important. So this activity is very important. Pressure exerted by liquid demonstrate. So take a balloon, water and a paper pin. So take a balloon. Let me drive over here. So suppose this is a balloon. Take a balloon, water and a paper pin. Fill the balloon with water. This balloon is filled with the water. Then prick it. Tie it with the thread on the. Prick it with the pin at the several places. Prick it from here, from the several places where you can feel. Water flows out through every hole. Result: water inside the balloon exert pressure in all the directions. This water starts coming through each and every hole. So this proves that water inside the balloon exert pressure in all direction. So what are the factors on which the pressure of a liquid depend? The first one it affect on the height. Second one is G. What is G? Acceleration due to gravity. And third one is density. It depends upon the density. And density is denoted by, it is not a P beta. It is just to put it this one, and it is called as rho. RHO, rho. So pressure formula, we are having a pressure formula is H rho G. H height into density into acceleration due to gravity. Every time you have to take the value of gravity. Actually it is 9.8, but if it is given in the book question, you take the value of G as a 9.8, then only you can take 9.8. Otherwise you can take a 10 value. Okay, so pressure increase with the height of the volume. So let us discuss with one example of this height, how it affect the height. Suppose this is a one beaker having a water, then pick it and take a hole from the one is nearby the surface, one is in the middle and one is on the bottom. This is A, B and C. What you can observe, and water starts coming out, you can observe that from here the water will fall at this level. From this B the water will fall, just move ahead, and from C the much water will come. This is the C level, this is the B and this is A. So from A the water will go at a far distance. Why? Because as the height increase, at the depth increase, this is depth, as the depth increase the pressure will be more, as the depth decrease the pressure will be less. So you know that as we go to the sea level in the down, so pressure will be more. So this one we can activity, so we can prove pressure of a liquid increase with increase in density. Second one, with the increase in density. If the more density is there, one you can take the mustard oil, and second one you can take the water, and both if you compare it, then the level of the mustard oil will be more. Then why the walls of a dam at the bottom are broader or bigger in size? In a dam, at the bottom of the dam, the walls are broader. Why it is? Because at the pressure at the depth will be more to withstand, to maintain the pressure at the bottom. So this question they are asking, why the walls of dams at the bottom are broader in size. So your answer must be the thick of the walls of the dams are made broader at the bottom so as to withstand the increasing pressure of the water. Withstand means maintain. They are supposed to maintain the pressure in this one. So how can you pressure of the gases are also same. So solid, liquid and gases also exert pressure. If we keep blowing in a balloon, it bursts due to increased pressure. Air is a mixture of gases. Our earth is surrounded by bands of air called atmosphere. So our earth is surrounded by the air. So atmosphere fear of the, in other words, if we can say, atmosphere causes pressure on the earth called atmospheric pressure. See, in nearby, in our meter scale, 1 meter this side, 1 meter this side, 1 meter front side and 1 meter back side, the air molecules, how much air molecules are? 1 lakh air molecules are present nearby our molecule, our body, nearby our body, air molecules are present, but though we are not aware about it. Why? Because our inside pressure is more, our blood pressure is more than the outside pressure. That's why we are not aware. But you know, as we go on the altitude, and if you take the pen on the altitude, the pen starts leaking, and we some persons are having a nose bleeding and like that. Why it is that? Because as we go high and high and high, atmospheric pressure becomes less. Atmospheric pressure becomes, because air column becomes less. As we go down, the atmospheric pressure becomes more. As we go up, the atmospheric pressure becomes less and our body pressure becomes more. So automatically our nose bleeding will start, or air is there. So air pressure becomes less, so pen starts leaking outside. So nose bleeding is there. At high altitude, atmospheric pressure is low. Underline this one. So why the nose bleeding starts at high altitude? So answer should be atmospheric pressure is low, but the pressure inside the human body being does not change. The excess of pressure inside the body, our inside pressure becomes more and may cause nose bleeding. Then sucking of drink, you know, as we are using the straw for taking the Coke. So inside the how it comes in our mouth, that Coke with the help of a straw. Inside the straw, air is there, because air is present everywhere. So sucking. Air is that when we take out the pressure inside the straw becomes less and whole air goes in our lungs, and that pressure becomes less. So outside pressure becomes more. So outside pressure pressurize that liquid to come to the straw and comes in our mouth. Then filling ink. Due to atmospheric pressure, ink gets filled in a fountain pen. So so many examples are here. So last one is there, the syringe. The last topic is syringe. So when plunger of the sting, you know that plunger, when we take out the plunger, then syringe plunger, then it pulled up gets filled with due to the atmospheric pressure acting on it. So students, this topic is very important for you, and in the 9th and 10th class also this topic is important. So read the topic thoroughly and deeply and try to understand each and every topic, each and every words, and if you have a doubt, in the comment section you can ask and try to solve the example numericals. Then only it is possible for you to solve the rest of the numericals. So try to read it and solve the problems. Thank you.